وعن عبد الله بن عمرو عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال لما فرغ سليمان ابن داود من بناء بيت المسجد سأل ثلاثا. Pay attention to this, my brothers and my sisters. When the Prophet Sulaiman, the son of Dawood alayhi salatu wassalam, completed Masjid al-Aqsa, completed building it, then he made dua for three things. He made dua for three things. The first one, hukman yusadif hukmu azza wa jal. The first thing that he asked, that his judgment, that when he judges between people, when he judges with the hukm, that is in accordance to the judgment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The second one, he said, mulkan la yanbaghi li ahadin min ba'di. He asked for a kingdom that no one after him shall have. And we all know from the story of Sulaiman alayhi salatu wasalam, the great kingdom that he had. So much so, from his kingdom was that he could control the jinns and work with the jinns. That is not allowed for anyone else. That is when the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, on an occasion when Iblis came to him in his salah, he held out his hand and held him. And then when the companions questioned him thereon after, that we saw you hold your hands out like this, what was it? He said, verily, the devil, he came to me in his real form, and I took a hold of him, and then I remembered the supplication of my brother Sulaiman alayhi salatu wassalam, for verily he was the only one that could control the jinns in that manner. Then I let him go. So that was the second thing that he questioned. And the shahid for us now is what it comes now. And the third one was وَأَنْ لَا يَأْتِي هَذَا الْمَسْجِدِ أَحَدٌ لَا يُرِيدُ إِلَّا الصَّلَاةَ فِيهِ إِلَّا خَرَجَ مِنْ ذُنُوبِهِ كَيَوْمٍ وَلَدَتْ أُمُّهُ. And then he made that third dua. And you have to reflect, my brothers, who is making this dua? Sulaiman alayhi salatu wassalam. And the third dua was, O Allah, the one that intends to come to this masjid, Masjid al-Aqsa, to offer prayers. That's his intention, to come and offer prayers here. Then, O Allah, forgive him of his sins. Forgive him of all of his sins, like he has returned to the day that his mother has given him birth. Rawahu Nisa'i wa Ibn Majah wa sahhahu Shaykh Albani rahimahullah ta'ala, wa sallallahu wa barik ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in.